What's good, y'all? It's your boy DJ. Alright. May say week 3, we done. But my defense, I was recording the video, week 3, right here. I'll be Falcon 35-3. I was recording the video, and of course, I got a phone call. And of course, you get a phone call on mobile when you record a video. At least for me, the video ends automatically, so, yep. So, we're gonna be playing the Rams. At least the Rams something. We win the Super Bowl. Wait, how many times we won the Super Bowl? Because, y'all already know. In other leagues, we won it 3 times. We gotta switch teams. We gonna have to switch teams. I may just make a new league. Instead of just, leave it to, nah. That wouldn't make sense. We completely different. It depends when we get there if we win a Super Bowl. Oh yeah, unless we won it 3 times already. At this age, you're 3. Only won it like once, right? Hey, what am I talking about? We only won it once. Yeah, we gotta get started winning. There's not gonna be no baseball 9 posts anytime soon, because I logged in with Facebook at baseball 9. Yeah, for reason I logged out. Baseball 9. I was trying to see something. But yeah, I got banned from Facebook for some reason. I have no idea. I ain't doing anything wrong. Like, look, I didn't post anything. Baseball 9 have to wait to get my account back, so. Might not count, Facebook. Not banned on Facebook, but I figure a way. Let's go back to the other team we used to have. The very start team. Well, before I actually got the Porter video, the new team on Baseball 9. That team we started with. But that team's all the way in rookies, so. My data back in the touchdown. Let's see what I can do. If I can't get it, well, Baseball 9 maybe just be over. Yeah, I was gonna see. Ankles may not be over. May take me time. May take a while. But we won't see. We in field goal range. Not max power, but can he still make it? Yes, he can. Maybe 17 that game. And they made it bad. Oh, come on. 49. Dang, no one gonna get open. And a dot. Come on, go, Lucas. Dang. Oh, that was a dot. Quick pass, I didn't. Mank. Dang. The Ram could still come back. Let me score again. There's Butler being himself. I mean, if we score again, they're in danger because we'd be up 24-0. I mean, they could if they stop me and if I just get a field goal, it'd be 20-0. They score 7-20. I could make a mistake for a pick, or they stop me with some time left. Then they score 14-20. Then I could make a mistake or something. But if my final drive, they go down the field, scored, take it the lead by 1. And with like a little time left. I mean, not anymore. What was I thinking right there? What was I doing? Well, now it's over. I mean, it's 4th quarter, minute 49 seconds left. Down 24. They would have to score so fast, and they didn't do it. They didn't even score at all. Tim Butler said he want the ball back. How fast he's going? Yeek. Got him. Yeah, Butler wasted so much clock here. Snap those ankles. Wait. Yes, over. He could still make a comeback. You never know. Like quick pass. Oh, we went out of bounds. We trying to score again, team. That audible going. Running back, bro. Butler right there. 11 seconds left. They're down 31-0. Hey, if they score so fast right now, they wouldn't. I won't think of anything. Not putting from scoring. That's the first time. How many passes did he the ball? 14 times, completed 14. Well, San Francisco, some competition's rolling in town. Let me come real quick. I'm my bed. Alright, they're coming in town. They want the smoke. And they're 3-1. So yeah, you gonna have to get them some of the smoke. Alright, I'm going deep. Dang, bro, no one going deep. Tight end does 1-on-1. That's a pick. What is this? This man's crazy. Okay, alright, come on, show me a replay. Come on. Dang, you bum. Oh my, they blistered the whole team. And bro still skedaddled out there for 8 yards. The tight end's too great. That man's built different. I don't know how not a pick. Be happy it wasn't. Look at the running back. Look, what is going on? Niners, they came into town to try to stop our win streak. Bro, they cannot tackle. Like, bro, 2 people missed the tackle completely. 2 people had them, but they both missed. Hold on, 2 people gamer. So I don't know what's going on. They went for it or something. What's going on? They're gonna come back. Oh my, nasty. Who's that? Rick? Dang, he got tackled by his legs. 1400. Go. Bro, can I like see my plane? Wide open, man. Man, Victor's cooking. Well, I thought it was 17-7. Mink. Oh, that could have been gone. Yeah, fast play. Dang, you know, it's only a lot. Bullets don't really work that. Ain't running straight at him. You gotta throw like certain spot. Good block. What was that by what's his name? I forgot his name. I gotta see next time. Boy, go downstairs. Like, come on. Go downstairs. No. Yes. Goodbye. Boy, I can still see you. His name? I'll pass him on real quick. Lucas. Boy, go downstairs. Get out. Hey. Get out. Oh, we're going deep. Come on. That's a pick, maybe. Yes, it will be a pick. Come on, defense. Okay. That's just a play. I had to give him in the ball. He was burning, but then nah, bro, just didn't have enough time, and the pressure was there. I still got enough time, but it was already burnt. Gone. Lucas. Should I go for 2? I think I should. Good catch. Good play. Got you slipping and sliding. Oh, wait, too much. Wide open, man. Lucas. I think go for 3. Back in the end zone. I thought he wasn't going to jump for that, too. That was 22-20. They punt, we got to run the ball. Nothing but run. Nothing but run. I'm telling you right now. You can do nothing else but run this ball. So, bro, I can't trust bro not to throw another pick. I mean, I could. The first one wasn't really anything crazy. It was just him trying to get the ball down the field. I'll pass here, play action. Yeah, I kind of trust him again. It wasn't even his fault. He just had to throw that thing. He didn't have to, but you know what I'm saying. And that is just what... See, guys, I told you. And now we're in a predicament here. Or maybe not. Ankles! Lucas, the hero of the game, could be him. I didn't think I should have. Okay, that was crazy now. What the hell? QB. Pass. Touchdown! With a Jonathan sending me. Oh, touchdown! Get it. We're going for the win. QB. Score! Wow. Hope if it don't end, my friend don't call me. If it does, I know why. Let's go! Come on, bro. Come on, guys. What y'all thought? Bye week, so we just take it. The thing. Oh, no, get my coins. I thought I was gonna lose that game. We got those 6-man stats. Yep. We were 13 for 15. Threw 2 picks. Threw 2 picks. No huge rushing play though. Well, this guy for sure, but running back did this good thing. Tight end did some things. Man, just send me everything, huh? Lucas, big catch. Victor, that thing going. No, that played the end with a pass by the QB. Just broken ankle by Lucas. No, you're not good. What else happened there? I don't know. Team is playing pretty good out there. It's a hard mode. I don't know why. Teams are getting smoked. Except for the Niners. They put up a fight. Come on now, guys. Wide open. Okay, that pick. Of course I'd say I don't trust him to run the ball. I see a deep play, one-on-one. I throw it up. Over from like 50 million yards and it's a pick. We still got it. I will catch y'all in the next one. Okay, like and subscribe. Of course. You know what I'm saying? Peace.